You push.
So basically this is for the
Is for
configuration of
yes, it's for enter in a part with don't use the normally used man, but is only for a person who is the
maintenance.
Yes.
So admin.
Admin is okay. Admin and the password is
Okay.
0100. Okay. Restore in this drive. You place another time and you can enter. This is the timing to strapping to cooling and prefeed. These two parameters is for choose which is the good
Sealing.
Perfect. The strap prefeed is a little bit of feed automatically of the head when the head finish the straps. In automatic do a little bit. In the other page is time out for the motor, for the strap feed, the strap recovery and the strap tension. Is timing only for the alarm, because before exit the alarm we have this time to the machine try and finish the operation. Okay. Enable strapping. You can disable the machine and only transfer without strap. Yes. This is a sensor inside of the head. In case you have a problem to release, to don't have a less tension. Sometimes you have a problem to release, and you can try to disable the SQ5 and don't have the problem to have this signal. It's only alarm. Disable the alarm. Unload pack is for you change the typology of unload of the pack. Okay. Setting. You can modify the speed of the conveyor. The first speed is the normal transfer speed. The slow speed is the speed with you put the position. If you change this one, you can don't have the perfect stopped for the strap and respect the measure you insert in the program. This one is only for if you change the speed to the line, you can, without entering the software, change manually the speed of the conveyor here. The other page is only the diagnostic of the sensor inside of the head.
So if there's any alarm, you can able to see whether
yes,
which one is
normally yes, but you normally have a signalation out alarm testing, adding alarm, and if you want to enter here, you can see which sensor you have a problem. Okay, finish. This is the part of under password part.
Okay.
Yes, I'll open, and it's not a screw, but it's a simple. This one is to take up here.
This is how to change the
Yes,
drive wheel.
It's better if you shoot down the power or not have the heavy
Temperature.
the temperature, but it's not a big problem.
The 400 degrees temperature, where is it heating up? Which
Here.
part?
This part,
Okay.
and you look the temperature.
At the moment it's 400 degrees.
Yes.
So there is a heater there, huh?
This is for cleaning. Remove the carter and cleaning with the air.
Okay.
I look to the guys for the,
So weekly once.
to the operator, because the operator make this operation every 1 week.
So here it's 400 degrees temperature, huh?
This part.
Always heating, always hot.
Yeah. When the machine, the power up of the machine is power up, the head is always
Hot.
hot. And
Again.
only change the material.
So
And we change this wheel. We remove this.
so if you change the material from at the moment, what is material? What is this material?
Polyethylene.
And then polyester
Yeah, for polypropylene
or
or
polypropylene.
PP
Okay.
is necessary. Put two smooth wheel. This is not smooth.
Okay. So it's of course with the
Yeah.
groove.
Remove this. You remove this. You remove this sector. Okay. You remove this sector.
Okay. So now how we will open it?
Okay. This is normally it's
It's tight.
yes. Okay. Now we take this and put this. Use this.
Special tool.
Okay. And the sequence is or use this K is a 8K because is a same inside of this.
Okay.
Okay, for block. Or you use a similar K, a normal K with
Longer
a
handle.
pipe, yes. Or you can open the other part of the head and block normal the other part, because there is the same in the other part. But it's faster and it's better do this. This one. It's very hard, but
Is it opposite or no? Opposite thread?
yeah.
Opposite thread?
Here. The key.
Okay.
I block with this one.
And then this one to open.
Yes.
May I help you?
Okay. The new one, you have the
Slot.
you have this one and this one for the correct position. And now do the inverse operation.
Okay.
Okay. This one.
Get that sandwich.
Yeah, yes, done later. Thank you. Now, I shut down. You shut down the power. On. The power. No, don't have the power. I think your guys change.
Yeah. Okay. Continue. Now let us start. All right. So
Okay. Now the temperature is go up to.
this is for temperature programming, no?
Yes, is a thermoregulator. Now we have the temperature for the polyester, and now it's necessary to wait, and later we proceed to
So polyester, and what is the other material?
PET.
PET.
Is this
What
one?
is this now? This is PET. Okay,
This is
this is
PET, and we have
Using the with
the
globe.
yes.
Okay.
And
Temperature 400 degrees.
yes.
With but if polyester,
And PP,
okay.
we use
Change
the smooth
change the wheel.
as the smooth wheel,
one. Okay.
and
Temperature will be
the-
what?
we press P, SP1. Okay, we go down.
So it is less temperature, huh?
Less temperature.
280,
Yes.
280.
Now is ready.
Okay. All right. So again, so if it is polyester, change the wheel, change the programming of the temperature to 280.
Yeah. P. SP. Go down.
Make it to 280, and then press P. Yes. Okay.
Now we wait because the temperature a little bit go down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 280. All right. So
Okay.
that's it. And then weekly, open, clean,
You can show the temperatures go
increasing.
down
Yeah.
degrees.
Yeah.
And when I arrive at the good temperature on the panel, I can run because in this situation, momentarily the machine don't run because don't have the true temperature.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So at the moment, these are all PTE, no? PTE,
PET.
PET, PET.
PET.
Yeah.
Now I change. If I return to PET, I change and I press P.
Okay. And then
P1.
increase
I
it
go up.
to 400.
Yeah.
So 400 and 280. Okay. Yes. If it is PET, PET material, which is like this, 400 degrees with the coarse wheel. If it is PP, polyester, should be 280 and change to smooth wheel.
And now you can see the temperature reduced.
Yeah, and then program it to 280 degrees temperature. And be careful, this is very hot, this part. You don't want to have a burn mark on your skin. Okay, so that's it. For PET, 400 degrees temperature with the coarse surface wheel. But for PP, 280 degrees temperature with the smooth surface wheel or drive wheel.
And use